but I definitely remember what it sounded like. It was like this
silence that I just hadn't heard in a while. A peaceful kind of quiet where you'd hear birds chirping. I also remember what it looked like. Like the sun cleared away the clouds and was able to take a breath for the first time in a very long time. And I definitely remember what it felt like. It felt like this heavy weight had been lifted from my shoulders. Like when the rain left, gravity had somehow left with it. I don't know. But for now, I guess I have the rest of my life to figure that out.
Sorry if it feels like I'm out of it, I'm a little fucked up. Disappointed some people who gave me nothing but love. Sorry if I owe you apologies, I'm a little backed up. Disappointed some people who gave me nothing but love. Oh, I'm such a even when the rain stops, I could feel it follow me.